If you could only choose one thing, what would be the one thing that has made the biggest difference in your business? My name's Jess, and if you are new here, I'd love for you to subscribe. I make new videos every single week for business owners like you to help you save time and look good online. And today I want to share the story of how YouTube, where you are right now, YouTube completely changed my business. I remember a few years ago, it was the season of everybody putting on a virtual summit. All these other designers kept getting chosen to talk about websites and branding and SEO and all the things that I also knew about. I got kind of scared. Would my business stay afloat with no one knowing about me? Would I have to quit my job and go back to corporate and be unhappy? I did not want that to happen. So I adapted. I decided I was going to start a YouTube channel. And I was scared as heck. And I had lots of doubts, like, would anyone even watch? Would it be a waste of money and time? Would it actually help my business? But the slightest even possibility of having to go back to corporate was too much. And I was like, I have to try this. I have to try YouTube and see if it will help my business. And oh my gosh, was I scared. I sat, not in that chair, but it was similar to that. But I sat in a chair, had my camera, was too nervous to even record with my husband in the room. So we had to like rig my iPhone onto a selfie stick that was in my tripod. But then I had to learn how to edit these videos. But I did it. I published that first video, which you can see right here. Sometimes the hardest part about creating a website is understanding the different terminology. But I did it. I published that very awkward first video. And then the next problem was no one was watching them. No one was watching my videos, just like I feared. So I had a choice. Do I keep going and making these videos, or do I just quit and put my time and money elsewhere? Luckily, a new client made the decision for me because I got that new client from YouTube. And the craziest part, which is why I love YouTube so much, this 1-minute video I had made for my YouTube channel built enough of the know, like, and trust factor with a complete stranger and convinced her to hire me. Like, I didn't have to run ads or like really even do a lot of convincing. She saw the video and was like, I'm sold, like, let's work together. Like, you seem amazing and super relaxed and fun, and I want you to build my website. YouTube has helped my brand visibility, it's helped my email list, it's helped me connect with clients, and that's the main thing. It's helped me connect with clients, because that's what matters in business, is connecting with people. Like, we can all post these stock photos on Instagram and write these blog posts and send out boring emails. But when we get to connect with people and hear their voices and see them on camera, that helps build connection. And the beautiful part of creating content like this is that I don't have to chase down clients. I get inquiries from Instagram and people finding me on Google search and people finding my blogs and my videos because they're connecting with me. And that is why I love YouTube so much. But I would love to know your favorite way to connect with your audience. Is it through Facebook, Instagram, your email list, or something else entirely? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up and check out these videos for more YouTube tips.